guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Welcome to today's video. So I'm actually really excited today because it's like 65 degrees outside, which is like not that warm, but like to me that is practically like summer. I remember last summer, the first like 68-degree day that like New York had, I was like at the pool, like living my life. So I'm just really excited that it's so early in March and we're already having like some warm days. So I'm so excited to have all the windows open. Like I'm just like so excited. But for today's video, I'm also really excited because on one of my last videos, I don't remember which one, I have to find the comment and then I'll put it here. A subscriber commented and was like, you should do a side-by-side of two foundations. They wanted me to like compare the Maybelline Super Stay Full Coverage and the Maybelline Fit Me Matte and Poreless foundations, and I actually happen to love both of them. This one a little bit more than this one, but I was like, that's such a great idea. I would love to do a video like that. So that's pretty much what today's video is going to be. I'm going to do one half of my face with the matte and poreless and then the other half with the Maybelline Super Stay. So I'm really excited to see the comparison. So if you guys are interested, go ahead and give this video a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and let's jump into the video. So I already have moisturizer on my face. So I'm going to go ahead and prime first, and I'm going to use my Banana Bright primer. So I picked these both up in the same shade, 120 Classic Ivory. This is, oh, I forgot to blend right here. These are the two shades that I found that would probably match me the best, especially since I have like somewhat of a tan going on, and Ulta really didn't have that many to choose from. So I was only able to grab these ones. So I'm going to do the right side of my face with the Maybelline Fit Me. So this one, I actually kind of hate the packaging because you have to like dump it like on the back of your hand. Whoa, and I just dumped out way too much. But this is what it looks like. This foundation, I remember I tried for the first time a few years back and I really liked it. I definitely don't need this much for one half of my face, but I am going to go ahead and take my damp sponge and just go ahead and buff this in. I feel like Maybelline kills it when it comes to their face products. Like I really enjoy, I enjoy their concealers, I enjoy their foundations. Like I really think that like they're one of the brands that kills it, them and Maybelline. I wish that I could use not them and Maybelline, them and L'Oreal. Oh my god. I really wish that I could use Maybelline like eye makeup, like their mascaras and stuff, because I know like everybody loves them, but I can't because I have some sort of allergy and I've had it ever since I was like a junior in high school, and I cannot wear their mascaras or their eye makeup because whenever I do my eyes, it looks like I have pink eye when I don't. Like my eyes go nuts. So, which really sucks because I do love their eye makeup. I just can't wear it. So it sucks for me. But as I'm blending this is first of all blending in so frigging nice. And even though it's the matte and poreless one, it is giving me a little bit of sheen. What do you guys think? I don't think it's full coverage, but I think it's a nice medium coverage, which I really appreciate because it looks like the skin is like kind of like peeking through, which I love. So this is one half. As you can see, it did do a decent like way of covering, so I definitely think it looks pretty good. So I'm gonna wipe off the excess. Moving on to this one. This is the Super Stay. Hold on, let me put the cap back on this before I knock stuff over, because we all know my videos, I'm like known for knocking everything everywhere. All right, so this one I remember when it first came out, I think it came out in 2017. It's one of like the first videos on my channel that I reviewed, and I loved it. And I remember like I got all the way down to here. Like I use this thing every single day. I loved it. I haven't used it since, so I'm really excited to see how this one is. This one does have a pump, so I love that. I don't know why the matte and poreless doesn't and then this one does. Like, shouldn't they like update all their packaging? Like, all right, so this one is definitely like more runny than the Maybelline matte and poreless one, but I'm gonna go ahead and put this on. Yeah, this is more liquidy, so I'm just gonna use about that much and just buff it in. Okay, so even though these are both the same shade, 120, I definitely think this side is lighter than this side, which is kind of annoying, but that's fine. So these are the two sides completely blended out. This is the Maybelline Super Stay 24 Hour, and then this one is the Matte and Poreless. And looking at them, I feel like the Super Stay is a little bit more matte than the Matte and Poreless one. I'm just like blending out any harsh edges because it is hard to do like one half of your face like with one foundation and the other half with the other. I can't like think. I feel like the matte and poreless side looks better. I just don't know what it is, but I feel like it looks smoother for whatever reason. I don't know. Can you guys tell on camera? Probably freaking can't, but like this is the Super Stay, and then this is the matte and poreless. So I'm just gonna go ahead and run and eat my lunch really quick, and then I will be back to like finish up the rest of my makeup really quick, and then I will like show you guys how everything looks in the end. So hang tight. Alright guys, so I just got back from eating my lunch. I had some good Chinese food. So I was just looking at my skin, and to be totally honest, I feel like they look like the exact same. Like I feel like they're the same. Hold on, let me open this. Ugh. Like I genuinely, okay. Sorry, I had to open this friggin' thing. I hate those little plastic packaging. Oh, anyways, I feel like they're the exact same. Like I don't see the difference. So I'm just gonna finish up the rest of my makeup and just like kind of go from there. So I'm gonna contour quick. I'm gonna use the L.A Girl HD Pro Conceal Contour thing. I've never used this before. I think I've used the concealer, but like years ago. So I'm gonna use this to contour. I needed like a good drugstore like liquid contour. I know like a lot of people have used this for years, and I've always looked past it for whatever reason. So I think I probably put way too friggin' much, but that's besides the point. All right, so I'm just gonna go ahead and buff it out. Oh yeah, I put too much. This is the contour or the bronzer blended out, and I think it looks really good. It was like kind of hard to blend out, I think because I did put like too much, but it didn't like move the foundation around. Like the foundation still stays in place. This side I feel like could look a little bit better. Like I don't think it looks all that good, but it doesn't look horrible. All right, so I'm just gonna move on to concealer quickly, and I'm gonna be mixing the Dior Forever Skin Corrects with the Colourpop Pretty Fresh concealer. So first thing I want to say is this concealer combination, like wow, my under eyes look freaking flawless. As I was blending this out, I was just sitting here like, wow, this looks amazing. So I'm gonna move on now to blush, and I'm gonna use my e.l.f. Putty blush. I tried this for the first time last week, and I freaking loved it. I've worn it like every single day. I have mine in the shade Tahiti, so I'm just gonna take some and I'm going to put it back here. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm just going to go ahead and finish up the rest of my makeup off camera, like put on my mascara, my powders, and then I will be back to show you guys how everything looks, and then we can talk about it. So hang tight. I went ahead and finished up the rest of my makeup. By the way, the lashes that I'm wearing are the Ardell Magnetic Liner and Lash Duo. I just did a TikTok trying this and reviewing it, so definitely follow me on TikTok if you want to see how that went. But okay, so we have everything on, and these are the two foundations. So I don't know about you guys, but I think that my skin looks amazing. And as I was like finishing up my makeup, I couldn't believe how flawless like both sides looked, honestly, between the concealer and the foundations and just everything. I think everything layered so perfectly, but I'm looking at them side by side right now. And if I had to pick one, I think I would go with the matte and poreless. And here's why. I feel like this side of my face looks so much smoother than this side. So I don't know if you guys can tell on camera because the light's kind of bright, but this side of my face looks a lot smoother. And I could tell that as I was blending the foundations and as I was putting them on, I was already like leaning towards the matte and poreless side, but I was like, you know what, I used to really, really love the Super Stay foundations. Let me see like how that looks, and I really think that the matte and poreless side looks better. And I do want to say one thing. If you guys are new here or you guys have been following me, if you don't know, I do have drier skin, especially like we're still pretty much in the winter months here, even though it is warm outside today. Like I do suffer from like really dry skin, and the matte and poreless one isn't a like suffocating mask type of matte foundation. Like the NARS soft matte one, in my opinion, is more matte than the Maybelline matte and poreless one. So my skin doesn't feel as suffocated as it does when I wear the NARS one. I honestly really like how this side looks, and I think they gave the same coverage. Like as I was applying them, like yeah, this Maybelline one claims to be like full coverage, and then I think this one, it doesn't say, yeah, it doesn't say what it claims to be. Natural seamless finish. It doesn't say if it's like medium or full, but I think they gave the same exact coverage, and I think they're the same exact foundation. This one says up to 24-hour wear, so maybe this one gives you a little bit more wear time than the matte and poreless one, but I think this one was like $9 and the matte and poreless one was like $7. But this one has been around forever. This has been around since like I remember seeing this in drugstores when I was like a 6th grader, 7th grader. I remember always seeing this for years and years and years, and it's so funny that people like still love it and still talk about it, but it's just because it's freaking bomb. So yeah, honestly, you guys let me know if you guys can even tell on camera which side you prefer, but I am preferring the right side of my face with the Maybelline matte and poreless for sure. It is just, my skin just looks so much better, and that's probably because of like the pore filling formula that it has. That's why my skin looks a lot smoother. But yeah, Maybelline matte and poreless. This one isn't bad at all. Like I'm not knocking it whatsoever, but right now, looking at my skin, I definitely prefer the matte and poreless one. Let me know if you guys have tried either of these and what you guys think of them. If you guys have tried them side by side, if you prefer the 24-hour one, or if you prefer the matte and poreless one, let me know. Okay, but that is all I have for you guys in this video. I really hope you guys did enjoy. Please do not forget to go ahead and give this video a big thumbs up. Let me know what else you guys want to see from me. Do you guys like these types of videos? Do you want me to do more like side-by-side comparisons? Like you want me to do drugstore, high-end? Like let me know, and I would love to do that. I think these videos are so fun to kind of like see the difference in like formulas and just how like one side looks versus the other. But yeah, so that is all I have for you guys in this video. I really hope you guys did enjoy. Please do not forget to give this video a big thumbs up and to subscribe, and I will hopefully catch you guys in my next video. Bye!